Hi there, my name is Raymond. Today in this video I would like to talk about a very good feature on Redbubble most of you aren't aware of. This feature I am going to talk about would help you to get more sales on Redbubble. And before I get in today's topic, I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print-on-demand business and affiliate marketing and others. And first of all, me and you and everyone always love discounts and offers, as in Black Fridays, where you can get a % off from the price of your desired product or buy two get one deal. And of course, these deals are much needed as being one of the promotional tools and strategies. Hence, any customer would get his special product or special gift and saves more money at the same time. And definitely it is very important for the shop or the site because it would get more attention and traffic and the spread of word and of course get more sales. So if you think that Redbubble doesn't provide such great offers, I would say to you, you are wrong, because Redbubble provides us with awesome offers that would help you in the promotion of your designs on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and etc. So you would get more sales and of course more money on redbubble.com. And here in the page of the Redbubble offers, you will find many discounts and many % off of the price of many items and products. So the title here in that page is Buy More Then Save More. Here you will find stickers, you save up to 50%, masks buy 4 save 20%, throw pillows, art prints, hardcover journals, scarves and greeting cards and art boards, tote bags and pouches and many other items on redbubble.com. For instance, we can check it out, masks, okay, like that. So here you will find in this product page this offer below the price of the mask. So you can use and take advantage of this offers or this discount as a hook or as a trap for customers and get more traffic to this item or this product. So you can announce this offer 8% when you buy 4 instead of $10. Okay, so you can just make your post well prepared on canva.com or Krell.com and using professional mockups, so show the design professionally on mask, and this offers you will see its result in converting many customers and buyers to your shop, and then they would buy more items for saving more money like in stickers, throw pillow and masks and other items on redbubble.com. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in print-on-demand business and affiliate marketing and others. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and goodbye.